Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. The Berbatov South Korean special is a popular skill move in football, soccer, games, especially in titles like FIFA. This move is named after Dimitar Berbatov, a Bulgarian professional footballer known for his technical skills and flair on the ball. The move is characterized by a smooth body feint followed by a quick change of direction, effectively deceiving the defender. Tutorial on the Berbatov South Korean special. Step 1. Understand the move. The Berbatov South Korean special involves two main components. 1. Body feint, a deceptive movement where you lean one way to trick the defender. 2. Quick direction change, after the feint, you quickly change direction to evade the defender. Step 2. Controls. The specific controls can vary based on the platform you are playing on, PlayStation, Xbox, PC. Here's a general guideline. PlayStation. Right stick, R flick left or right for the body feint. Left stick, L move in the opposite direction quickly. Xbox. Right stick, R flick left or right for the body feint. Left stick, L move in the opposite direction quickly. Step 3, executing the move. 1. Position yourself, approach the defender with the ball at your feet. 2. Perform the body feint. Use the right stick to flick left or right in the direction you want to feint. 3. Change direction. Immediately push the left stick in the opposite direction to sprint past the defender. Practice scenario. To practice this move effectively, find a training ground or a friendly match where you can repeatedly attempt it against a defender. Code example. If you want to implement a simple simulation of the Berbatov South Korean special in a coding environment, you could create a small Python script that represents players and their actions. Here's a basic example. Python. Class player. Def __init__, self, name. Self.name equals name. Self.position equals 0 simplified representation of position on the field. Def body _feint, self, direction. Print, f self.name performs a body feint to the direction. Def change _direction, self, new _position. Print, f self.name changes direction to position new _position. Self.position equals new _position. Def execute Berbatov special, self, defender _position. Simulating the move. Feint _direction equals left if defender _position self.position else right. Self.body _feint, feint _direction. Change direction quickly to evade. New _position equals self.position plus 1 if feint _direction equals left else -1. Self.change _direction, new _position. Example usage. Player equals player, Dimitar. Defender _position equals 1 defender is at position 1. Player.execute Berbatov special, defender _position. Explanation of the code. 1. Player class, represents a player on the field. 2. Body _feint method, simulates performing a body feint. 3. Change _direction method, simulates changing direction by updating the player's position. 4. Execute Berbatov special method, combines the body feint and direction change into one method that simulates performing the skill move. Conclusion. The Berbatov South Korean special is an effective way to evade defenders in football. Mastering this skill can enhance your gameplay experience in soccer video games. Practice the timing and execution of the move, and try implementing it in matches to see how it can turn the tide in your favor.